Wera keeps raising the bar with tools designed for real-world jobs. Extended ratcheting wrenches reach deeper with less effort, while compact modular kits keep essentials within easy reach. Built for speed, comfort, and reliability, these new tools make mechanical prep, tight installations, and everyday service tasks faster and easier. Let's dive in. The Tool Check Modular Set 1 is a must-have companion for service and maintenance work. This modular system lets you pack all essential tools into one organized kit and assemble exactly what you need for the job. Inside, drivers, sockets, and bits cover the most common fastener profiles, while modular holders make swaps quick and secure. Color coding and clear labeling speed up selection, and each piece feels solid enough for repeated daily use. The compact case stays tidy on site and integrates with other accessory systems for easy transport. Perfect for mechanical assembly, rack mounting, or general installations, this set delivers versatility, efficiency, and reliability wherever fast work matters most. Efficiency meets precision with the Wira 837 IRA craft form handle. Comfortable in the hand, it hides a 40-tooth ratcheting system with a 9-degree return angle, making tight spaces behind breakers or control cabinets effortless. The easy-to-use direction selector lets you switch rotation without looking, while a lock mode provides pure manual drive when needed. Ergonomic design spreads pressure evenly across the palm, reducing hand strain during long fastening sessions. Compatible with VDE interchangeable blades, it handles multiple drive types without extra weight, and insulation up to 1,000 volts keeps it safe on live circuits. The hexagonal anti-roll profile prevents slipping on angled surfaces, offering speed, control, and protection for everyday fastening tasks. Meet the Wera 006004 VDE set, a tool that surprises first-time users with its effortless self-adjusting action. 4 winches cover 7 to 19 millimeters and 1/4 to 3/4 inch, letting you position and turn without measuring or adjusting. Firm jaws reduce slippage and protect fastener edges, while a built-in ratchet allows continuous rotation without lifting the tool. A 30-degree return angle makes tight spaces around bus bars or cabinets easy to navigate, and parallel jaw alignment keeps plated surfaces safe. Each wrench is insulated and tested up to 10,000 volts, delivering fast, efficient, and safe performance for electricians handling gland nuts or mounting hardware. The Wera 006007 stands out with its extra length, giving leverage without straining your wrist, perfect for fasteners deep inside frames, panels, or mounting channels. One end has an open jaw with hardened teeth that grip nuts securely, preventing slips overhead or inside enclosures. The opposite end features an 80-tooth ring ratchet with a fine return angle, ideal for tight clearance, while the double hex jaw reduces flipping and working angles. Crafted from chrome molybdenum steel with a nickel chrome finish, these wrenches resist corrosion on construction and industrial sites. Clear color markings make size selection quick, and although not insulated, this set works well during electrical-mechanical prep where reach, leverage, and precision matter most. The Craftform Compact 20 RA is a screw-driving multi-tool built for adaptability. At first glance, it feels familiar, but inside the handle, 6 bi-torsion bits are ready for action. A built-in ratchet speeds up extended screw runs, while a free spin function lets you turn fast when resistance is low. The telescoping blade changes how the tool works, shortened for deep recessed screws, extended as a full-length driver, or fully removed to serve as a bit holder for power tools. The Rapidaptor chuck enables quick, secure bit changes, keeping work flowing without interruptions. Not VDE insulated, it's perfect for assembly and maintenance tasks where flexibility and efficiency matter most, adjusting to the job instead of forcing you to adjust to the tool. The BeltB VDE1 set turns organization into a real advantage on the job. 10 insulated bit sockets sit neatly on a compact textile belt that clips, hangs, or mounts wherever it's most convenient. Each 3/8-inch drive socket is tested to 10,000 volts and rated safe up to 1,000 volts, with a red and yellow insulation design that makes damage easy to spot. Torque sockets hold fasteners by shape, while hex sockets use a spring-loaded ball to keep screws secure, even deep inside cabinets or overhead. Short socket lengths improve access in tight corners, and the belt rotates smoothly while detaching cleanly. Compatible with Wera to-go systems, this set keeps parts in place and saves time, making it a smart choice for electricians working around live panels. Stepping into precision work, the click-torque lock range immediately feels solid and reliable. You set the torque, turn the fastener, and the distinct click confirms the exact target has been reached. No guesswork, no stripped threads. The range covers everything from compact quarter-inch drives at 2.5 to 25 Nm up to half-inch versions that reach 200 Nm. The torque lock function also doubles as a regular ratchet when deactivated, letting you loosen tight fasteners without stressing the mechanism. Some models allow torque application in both directions, adding versatility for complex assemblies. While not VDE insulated, these tools are perfect for pre-energizing work like securing rails, housings, and structural components. Built with professional-grade durability, they perform reliably day in and day out on busy job sites. This step moves slightly outside pure electrical work, but electricians often find themselves here anyway. The 9530 torque wrench kit is perfect for precise tightening in HVAC and heat pump systems. At its core, the Click-Torque X7 wrench covers 10 to 100 Nm with an accuracy of plus or minus 4%. A clever QR code on the wrench instantly calculates the correct torque based on the insert length, eliminating manual errors. 3 self-adjusting Joker insert wrenches cover 16 to 32 mm, gripping nuts automatically and ratcheting smoothly with a 30-degree return angle. While not VDE insulated, this kit proves invaluable for electricians handling HVAC or mechanical installations where precision torque is critical. This tool is built for demanding electrical torque work, especially in live settings. The 410i VDE uses a T-handle design, letting you apply force evenly with both hands, perfect for tightening larger fasteners in switchboards or distribution panels. A 3/8-inch square drive with a ball lock system keeps sockets firmly in place. Inside, a fine-tooth ratchet provides a tight 4.5-degree return angle, letting you make steady progress even in tight spots. A free-spinning sleeve near the head adds resistance with finger pressure, so the ratchet engages even with minimal load. Tested to 10,000 volts and rated safe up to 1,000 volts, it works exclusively with Wera VDE Cyclop sockets, ensuring consistent safety. For precise, high-torque electrical applications, this tool is specialized, reliable, and purpose-built. Some jobs demand a single pouch that handles almost every fastener in an electrical panel, and the Craftform Compact VDE 17 Universal Set does exactly that. It comes with 2 insulated handles and 15 interchangeable shafts covering slotted, Phillips, Posi-driv, plus-minus, and Torx types. Each shaft measures 157 mm, a perfect length for most cabinet depths. Blade swaps are fast, and the slim shafts reach recessed terminals without dismantling nearby components. Every piece is tested up to 10,000 volts and rated safe for 1,000 volts, making them ideal for live electrical work. Color-coded markings speed up identification, while the folding pouch stays organized and integrates with the Wera to-go system. For daily installations and service work, this kit provides maximum versatility with minimal bulk. Every workspace benefits from a tool that conquers tight spots, and the Stubby set does exactly that. Its compact handle fits naturally in the hand, while the magnetic quarter-inch bit holder keeps bits secure even under heavier torque. The set comes with 18 bi-torsion bits covering the most common drive types, ready for everyday tasks. Its short profile reaches behind panels, inside enclosures, and along frame edges where standard screwdrivers can't go. The bi-torsion tips absorb sudden load peaks, reducing the risk of breakage, and color-coded markings speed up bit selection. Housed in a slim textile case, it slides effortlessly into Wera to-go systems. For finishing, retrofits, or any work in cramped spaces, this tool proves indispensable. This set delivers a tactile, confident feel in every use. The ball grip handle directs force naturally, letting you apply downward pressure without straining your wrist, making stubborn screws easier to turn. Laser-tipped drivers hold screw heads securely, reducing cam out under high torque. A chisel driver with a through blade and impact cap adds versatility for light chiseling or freeing stuck fasteners. Many tools are VDE insulated, keeping the set suitable for electrical work, and the durable belt holster ensures fast access on ladders or lifts. Practical, straightforward, and ready for action, this kit becomes a reliable grab-and-go solution for electricians on the move. The Craftform Compact 900 isn't your typical screwdriver. It doubles as an impact driver. A single hammer strike transforms downward force into rotational torque, delivering up to 25 Newton-meters to tackle stubborn or corroded screws. You can disengage the impact feature to use it as a standard driver, while the hex bolster allows extra leverage when needed. Through-blade construction channels force efficiently, and 18 hardened bits cover the most common drive types. Although not VDE rated, this kit excels for non-live work, saving time and effort when fasteners refuse to move. For electricians who demand total coverage, the VDE Bigpack 1 delivers everything in one set. 2 insulated handles and 24 interchangeable blades tackle nearly every drive profile, including reduced diameter shafts for modern terminal blocks. Each piece is tested to 10,000 volts and rated safe up to 1,000 volts, ensuring reliability on live circuits. Color-coded blades speed up selection even during long shifts, while the organized storage keeps all components compact and accessible. With this kit, you always have the right tool at hand, removing guesswork and making it ideal for full-time professionals or team use. The Joker 6006 streamlines your wrench collection without losing versatility. This set includes 2 self-adjusting double open-end wrenches covering metric sizes 7 to 19 millimeters and imperial sizes 1/4 to 3/4 inch, effectively replacing multiple fixed wrenches. Parallel jaws grip fasteners securely, while both ends ratchet for continuous turning with a 30-degree return angle, perfect for tight spaces. Although not VDE insulated, it works well for electrical tasks during mounting and mechanical assembly. The folding pouch keeps the set compact and organized, making it an ideal solution for professionals who want efficiency and portability in one handy kit. The Craftform Compact VDE 7 Universal 2 focuses on everyday electrical screws, pairing a single insulated handle with 6 interchangeable posi-driv and slotted blades. At 157 millimeters, the blades reach most panel depths, and each piece is tested to 10,000 volts for safe use up to 1,000 volts. Color coding makes selection fast, and the ergonomic handle keeps your hand comfortable during long shifts. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for apprentices and service techs who need reliability over flash. For tasks requiring torque, the Craftform Compact 400 delivers. Built around a T-handle with wrap adapter, it channels force efficiently for tighter fastening with less fatigue. 16 quarter-inch bits cover common drives, and the free-spinning sleeve guides the tool smoothly. Perfect for mechanical assembly, rack installation, and structural fastening, it's a powerhouse for non-live applications. The Craftform Compact 100 feels like a treasure chest for every fastening scenario. This compact textile case holds 52 components neatly organized for quick access. You get a wrap adapter manual holder, a wrap adapter adapter for power tools, 30 bi-torsion bits, 12 impactor bits, and 8 Hex Plus L keys, covering manual, machine-driven, and high-torque tasks all in one kit. Bi-torsion bits handle daily fastening while absorbing sudden load peaks, extending their life. Impactor bits tackle higher torque when using cordless drills or impact drivers. And Hex Plus L keys protect socket screws from rounding under repeated use. Color-coded markings speed up identification, and the upright textile case integrates with Wera 2-Go systems for flexible storage. Non-VDE insulated, this set is perfect for mechanical setup, mounting, and general assembly tasks. The Cyclop Pocket immediately grabs attention with its clever, compact design. This pocket-sized powerhouse combines a ratchet, screwdriver, and bit storage all in one. It works with quarter-inch bits and 3/8-inch sockets through magnetic attachment. The internal 72-tooth ratchet provides a tight 5-degree return angle, perfect for tight spaces. The head swivels and locks into multiple positions for straight, angled, or T-handle use, while a rotating magazine inside the handle keeps 12 bi-torsion bits within easy reach. Ideal for service work, panel installations, and rack setups, it keeps gear minimal without sacrificing capability. Non-insulated but built tough, the Cyclop Pocket proves that even a small tool can cover a surprisingly wide range of tasks. That wraps up our tool showcase. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos packed with gear and tips.